We're here today to talk about why it's important to keep fine sediment out of our streams. And this site's a great example of that. The once gravelly stream bed has been completely smothered with fine sediment. So if we pull some up, you can see that those gravels have been covered with sand and silt. That smothered the habitat that gets used by our native fish and invertebrates and would have killed a lot of the things that we value in our streams. A lot of that fine sediment would have come from when this catchment was first developed, but any infill housing, any replacement of driveways, any time that we expose the ground, expose that soil, we're risking that material getting into the system. So we have a continual rate of input or a continual attrition and impact on our stream environments. But it doesn't have to be like this. The choices that we make during construction can prevent this from happening in the first place and prevent ongoing degradation. We'll take you to a site now where you can see what a natural clean stream actually looks like. This is an example of a much healthier stream. We've got nice clear water and very clean gravels that when you pick them up are completely clear of fine sediment. This is what we need for our native insects and fish to survive. The insects will live between the gaps around the stones, and our fish will spawn in these areas as well as eat the much healthier invertebrates that live here. So what we do affects how healthy our streams are. The sediment on the land, if we allow that to come into our streams, it will smother these areas. So if we want to keep our streams healthy, we need to keep fine sediment out. And that means following the toolbox guidelines on how to manage erosion and sediment during construction. And if we keep that sediment out, we'll keep these streams healthy for generations to come.